Hi everyone, welcome to IoT Projects Ideas. In this video, we will be discussing the implementation of an RFID-based door lock control system using Raspberry Pi Pico and MicroPython. The advancement of technology has revolutionized the way we secure our homes and offices. The RFID-based door lock control system using Raspberry Pi Pico and MFRC522 module is a modern and secure method to control access to your property. With this system, you can control access to your doors by using a simple RFID card, which acts as a key. In this video, we'll walk through the process of building an RFID-based door lock control system, and we will be explaining the code used to run this system and how to customize it to your needs. The system will consist of an RFID reader, an electric lock attached to the 5-volt relay, a buzzer to provide audio feedback, LEDs as indicator, and a Raspberry Pi Pico microcontroller board. You will also need a few jumper cables and breadboard for assembly. But I recommend you to use a custom PCB for this project. The circuit connection for this project is relatively simple. The MFRC522 RFID reader is connected to the Raspberry Pi Pico using the SPI interface. The 5-volt DC relay is used to control the door lock, and the LED is used to indicate whether the lock is open or closed. The buzzer is used to provide audio feedback when an authorized RFID card is detected. The connections are as follows. To implement this whole system, you will need a PCB. You can use breadboard assembly just to test this project. So, to make your work easier, I have designed a custom PCB for this project. You can directly order your PCB from PCBWay.com. PCBWay.com is a leading manufacturer of high-quality PCBs and offers a wide range of services, including PCB fabrication, assembly, and component sourcing. If you are using PCBWay for your first order, then there is a special discount. So don't forget to check the link provided in the description. You can quickly order your PCB through this quick order PCB. Just upload your Gerber file, choose your desired settings and place your order. MicroPython Code. You can find this MicroPython code on our website. I will attach the link in the description. Copy the code provided for MFRC522.py. Open the Thony IDE, create a new file, paste the code, and save it as MFRC522.py on your Raspberry Pi Pico. Repeat the same steps for the main.py code. After you have copied the code, again go to the Thony IDE and again click on the new file and paste this code. This time, save this code in Raspberry Pi Pico with the name main.py. In this code, the MFRC522 library is used to communicate with the RFID reader, and the machine library is used to control the electronic components, such as the door lock, buzzer, and LEDs. The MFRC522 library provides functions to detect and read data from RFID cards. The code starts by initializing the pins of the door lock, buzzer, and LEDs as digital outputs. The lock and buzzer pins are then set to a default state. The red and green LEDs are turned off. The main loop of the code continuously checks for an RFID card to be detected by the reader using the RC522.request function. If a card is detected, The code uses the RC522.select tag yeshen function to read the UID of the card and store it in a variable called RFID_data. The UID of the card is then compared with the predefined UIDs of the authorized RFID cards. If the UID of the card matches any of the predefined UIDs, the door lock is unlocked, and the system waits for 5 seconds before relocking the door and turning off the green LED. If the UID of the card does not match any of the predefined UIDs, the buzzer is turned on, and the system waits for 1 second before turning off the buzzer and red LED. This indicates that the card is not authorized to access the door lock. Finally, run the code in Thony IDE. You will be prompted to place your RFID card. Swipe your RFID cards, tags, or keychains to get their UIDs. Use these UIDs in your main.py code to control the door lock. In conclusion, the code provides a simple and efficient solution to control an electronic door lock using RFID technology with a Raspberry Pi Pico and MicroPython. The code can be easily modified to add or remove authorized RFID cards and can be integrated with other systems for added functionality. If you have any queries, then let me know in the comment section below. That's all for this video. See you soon in the next one. Bye bye.